Namaste student, myself Dr. Kundan Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Agatantra and Genetica, Faculty of Irish Science, Sri David University, Jaipur. Here we already started the topics of vegetable poisoning from the last few lectures. We already completed the Vassanava and Arka from the last lecture, and today we will start the another topic, that is Kuchra topic. Student Kuchla, it is the one of the most important drug in the Ayurvedic medicines, and its toxicity is one of the common vegetable toxicity in India. Kuchla, it is also called as Strechnus natsumica, is a well-known plant in the Indian system of the medicine and is being used extensively in the different classical formulation with the great therapeutic significance. Rasratna Samuchaya describes the 11 number of Upnisha, though the plant Kuchla is described under the Upnisha Varga, that is a sub-poisonous group. Its seeds have been used successfully in the different formulation to combat the different diseases after the proper Shodhana Sanskara. The botanical name of the Kuchla is Strychnus vomica. It belongs to family Loganaceae and Karascarpula. In Sanskrit synonyms are Kuchilika, Kuchil, Kuchila, Kuchil, Vishatinduk, Tindu, Tinduka, Vishatinduka, Karaskara, Ramnifala, Upaka, Vishamushtika, Vishamushti, Kalakuta. The classification of Kuchla. The Kuchla is being classified under the Stavar Vanaspatic Visha, also Upavisha, and Phalavisha or Bijvisha in the ancient Ayurveda text, while it belongs to neurotoxic spinal excitant poison as per the modern medical science. Then distribution. Kuchla is found throughout the tropical India up to the altitude of 360 meter in the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Orissa, Coromandel coast, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. It's most common in the forest along with the western coast. Plant's description. The plant is dense, hard white and close grained. The branches are irregular and covered with the smooth ashen bark. The young shoots are deep green color with the shiny coat. The leaves have an opposite arrangement. Short stalks are oval-shaped, also have shiny coat and are small in the both sides. The leaves are about 4 inches, that is 10 centimeter long, and 3 inches, that is 7.6 centimeter wide. The flowers are small with the pale green color with the funnel shape, and they bloom in the cool season with the smooth and have the pause smell. Then major chemical constituent. It contains brucine, strychnine, promycin, casein, and novocaine, strychnine and isostrychnine, then kulchilosite and loganic acid. Then Ayurveda view of Kuchla. In Brihatraya, that is three basic grantha of Ayurveda, that is Charak Samhita, Susruta Samhita, and Bhagavad Samhita. And the Dhanvantri Nigantu did not mention Vishtinduka or Kupilu. Then Shodala denoted it as Vishatinduka and included it in the Karviradi Varga, while Bhav Mishra described it and the Kakatinduka or Kupilu. Vaideva Nigantu quoted a drug, Vishamushti, which may be Naxvomika. Raja Nigantu described Kuchla in the Prabhatradi Varga. He also quoted 5 types of the Vishamushti. Then Ayurvedic property. Its rasa are katutikta, guna are ruksha lagutishna, virya is ushna, vipaka is katu, doshagnata, kapha vata shamaka, and in few granthas it is also kapha pitta shamaka. Then rogagnada. It has the rogagna function in the following disorders like sandhivata, amavata, vrana, kushta, nadi shula, ardhanga vata, and gati bhransha, jnana bhransha, peshi posha, then kampa, badhirya, ardita, पक्षघात, आम अग्निमांद्य, आमदोष, ग्रहणी, उदरशूल, अर्श, रिमी, रक्त विकार, वात रक्त, हृदय शैथिल्य, हृदरोग, कास, पुष्पशोथ, देन ध्वजभंग, श्री ग्रह पतना, then दौर्बल्य, कुष्ठ, कंडु, अतिस्वेद, विषमज्वर, and Visishka. Then its karma are Shotahara, Utihara, Vedana Sthapana, Tejaka, Nadi, Balya, then Deepana, Pachana, Krahi, Shula Prashamana, Ritutejaka, Kafagna, Kasahara, Vajikarana, Balya, Katupostika, Pushtagna, Kandugna, Svedopnayana. Then Kupilu Shodhana, detoxification or purification of Kupilu. For this purpose, fry kuchla seed with ghee in the pan on the slow flame till its outer covering become lead yellow in color. Then take the seed and remove the outer skin of the seed and grind the hot pulp immediately. This Shodhana process is useful in the emergency use of the kuchla. Also, wrap the kuchla seed in the cloth, keep it in dolayantra with cow milk, and boil it for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, remove the seed, grind it in the iron current, and use the churna. And the skin of the seed is removed. It is boiled with milk for 7 days, dried, and then it is fried in the ghee and powder, and then is used in the medicinal purpose. The medicinal dose is about a half to 1 uncha. Then Ayurvedic preparation of Kupilu. It includes Navjivan Rasa, Agnikundi Rasa, Lakshmi Vilas Rasa, Shula Nirmulana Rasa, Tapti Vatari Rasa, then Sarameha, then Vishapaha Yoga, then Vishatinduk for external use. These all are the some Ayurvedic preparation of the Kupilu. Then a modern view of Kushla. Strychnine was first used medically in 1540 and continued to be used in many stimulants, tonics, and catharatics until as recently as the 1960s. These alkaloids are strychnine, leucine, and perhaps casuarine. 18 dot. The main acid is ibutiric acid, while the glucoside is named loganin. These all are colorless bodies, the alkaloid being very bitter and energetically poisonous, leucine being the poison similar to strychnine, acting with the less violent and more slowly but not less surely than strychnine. Then strychnine, violently poisonous alkaloid, is crystalline and slightly soluble in the cold water, the solution being alkaline and bitter. Then strychnine is said to be bitterest substance in the world. The taste is detectable even the dilution of 1 is to 1 lakh or more. Then strychnine is terrible titanic possible poison affecting the cerebrospinal system, but it kills without producing marked anatomical changes. The muscles and nerves being scarcely altered, although brain and spinal cord may be congested, stomach and limbs intensely congested, a right side of the heart is cold, sometimes empty, and the lungs are also congested. Then the fetal dose of strychnine is as low as a half of gram. Indeed, it is recorded that 1 by 16 gram killed a 2-year-old child in 4 hours, while half of gram killed a man in the 20 minutes. Then brucine. It is also very bitter, feebly soluble in the cold alcohol. It differs in the reaction from strychnine in that strong sulfuric or nitric acid strikes with the blood, red color. Then, whereas with the strychnine, no coloration appears. Then, brucine is the poison which has the physiological but in mark less degree Authorities differ, some considering it 1/16th other than 1/14th to 1/15th less energetic than strychnine as convalescent. The antidote and treatment for poisoning by brucine are same as for the strychnine. Then pharmaceutical preparation. The alkaloids are sometimes prescribed in the solution and have long made into pills, tablets, or pellets form of the solution. Half solution of strychnine is an old preparation, occasionally used as the present. Then a tincture of Nux vomica. The preparation was among the first official preparation of Kuchra. It made today by dissolving 20 grams of dried extract of Nux vomica in enough mixture of alcohol, 3 volume to make 1000 cubic centimeters. This is perhaps the best known drugstore preparation of Nux vomica and need no special comment. Then mode of action. Strychnine stimulates all parts of the central nervous system and particularly the anterior horn cell of the spinal cord, causing the greatly increased reflex excitability. Normal inhibition of motor cell stimulation is lost so that any slight stimulus such as noise, light, or air breeze causes the violent generalized muscle spasm. Then pharmacological activities. It has pharmacological activities like anti-HIV, hepatoprotective, anticholinergic, anti-lipid, peroxidative property, anti-ulcer, and insecticidal, CNS stimulant, and the strychnine shows remarkable negative chronoscopic activity in frog, isolated heart, and guinea pig atria, and activity retained in vivo also, open chest. Then strychnine, about 50 mg per kg when injected subcutaneously, increase the level of acetylcholine in the spinal cord and sustain the convulsion in the frog for 4 hours. Then isostrychnine oxide and isobrucine N oxide show the most potent cytotoxicity to tumor cell lines of K56 HELA and HEP2. Then parts use. It is most part used part of the herb and recently root bark is also used. It should be purified before using the medicinal purpose. Then doses seed powder of possible fetal dose is about half gram, that is below 33 mg. And toxic symptoms, it has bitter taste, twitching and stiffness of the muscle of face and neck, then convulsion, initially clonic that is intermittent and then clonic that is sustained. Then any stimulus like movement of the patient, noise, touch, light, or water immediately produce the convulsions. Then muscles become rigid and stiff so that body is thrown into the form of arch. Then cyanosis. Then blood stain froth at the nose and mouth. Then eyes are prominent and staring with the dilated pupils. Then mind remains clear end of the till end and the death is the painful. The diagnosis of poisoning. TLC gives the reliable qualitative result on gastric aspirate, urine, blood, or tissue. Base specimens are urine and gastric aspirate. HPTLC provides the accurate quantitative data. Blood level in the range of zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.3 mg per 100 ml are generally lethal. Then postmortem appearance. Rigid attitude characteristic of clinical state may be persist for long time after the death. There may be oozing and hemorrhage are usually present in the muscle, as in death following any violent muscular activity. The lymph in the thoracic duct is bloody. The spasm of muscle interferes with the respiration and causes death from the asphyxia. Then early onset of and disappearance of rigor mortis. Then postmortem caricity and dilated pupils. Then forensic significance of the plant. Strychnine has been uncommonly employed in the murder owing to various obvious reasons like bitter taste, dramatic nature of the symptoms that will always arouse suspicion of foul play, and easy detectable in the body fluid and tissue. Accidental poisoning can result in children who chew the seeds out of curiosity while playing or foraging in the countryside. Previously, therapeutic misadvantages used to be fairly common when strychnine was approved to constitute of the various over-the-counter tonics and catharatics. Then accidental poisoning can also result from inadvertent consumption of strychnine containing rodenticide. Owing to agonizing nature of death, strychnine is rarely suicide. Thank you, student. Today we completed the strychnine poisoning. The next poison is Gunza, which will be studied in next lecture. Thank you.